Kalimera from PEFKOHORI, HALKIDIKI. Kalimera, tikanate? Oli kala. So I've just requested a late checkout, always a must if you're on holiday. So the sun decided to come back out, buzz in. Can't get over this balcony view, unreal. Yeah, so guys, so I've just found out from Maria on reception that the best way to get from PEFKOHORI, HALKIDIKI to the airport is in fact a taxi, and it's a fixed price of €110. The bus isn't very regular, is it? They said it's 2-3 hours, so it's much more efficient to get a taxi anyway. But the bus is the option there for those that are coming here on a budget. Kit did ask about Ubers, but Ubers apparently don't come here because we are in a small village in the peninsula, and we're now making our way back down to the gyros shop we went yesterday. Kiklops, I think it was called, because the gyros there was so good.
It was unreal.
So we're gonna have one last gyros in Greece for now, until we're back later in the year. And we're back again, round 2. Back in Kiklops. I don't even know why we bothered looking at the menu. We knew what we were going to order.
I've asked for extra tzatziki in mine, but I haven't ordered it yet, but I told Jack to order mine with extra tzatziki.
Oh well. Asu filimo. Tikanate? Ala, polikala. Fai fela fio pukiro, herino. Parakalo. Kai pola tzatziki.
Pola tzatziki. Okay.
And a bira alpha kai Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Okay.
After.
Aristopoli. Thank you.
Thank you.
Another day, another alpha. Nice touch with the frozen glass as well. I'm going to swap hands because I am left-handed. Yeah, man. Aristopoli. Bon appétit. Managed to pick up some spices for my mum, because the first thing she said when I said I was going to Greece, make sure you bring me back some spices. So we're just making our way back down to the front of PEFKOHORI beach, as you can see. Just gonna have a little wander about, enjoy our last few hours here for now. Yeah. Looks like there's all apartments and stuff down here. And holiday homes. Got to the end of the beachfront promenade. It's like a ghost town up here. And they've got some sort of fairground roller coaster folded up there. Kit's walked in front in a mood because I've dragged her all the way down here. Nice beach club here. Look at the choices, you've got Toblerone and ice cream, Snickers peanut butter. Always got a much better choice, isn't there, abroad?
There's too much to choose from.
It's got Bounty here, you like Bounty, didn't you? Yeah. Yasu. Tikanate? Molikala. Fai fela fio paralia pezzetta parakalo. Masigala, yes, yes. The beach towel is secured, so I'm just making my way back down the beach to meet Kit. I'm just about to have my Nymphy beer, which is a beer brewed in Thessaloniki. I haven't tried it yet. I think I'm going to have a job opening it while filming, so bear with me. Yamas. Yeah, it's really nice, that is. Good beer. Really hoppy taste. If you're in HALKIDIKI, come stay in PEFKOHORI because it's lovely. I'm sure the whole of HALKIDIKI is lovely. It's my first time here in the HALKIDIKI Peninsula. But look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So I definitely recommend HALKIDIKI, guys, if you're planning on coming to Greece or want somewhere nice to come on holiday. Kalispera. Τι κάνετε? Τι κάνετε? Trying to teach Kit some Greek. Hey? Nearly empty. I don't want to be rude, so I'm going to finish this nymphy beer before I sit down at the beach bar. How was your juice anyway, Kit? Was it nice?
Well, we didn't have the juice I wanted, unfortunately, so I got a passion fruit lemonade instead. Really nice.
Make yourself useful as well, put more towel on.
Oh, sorry, I'm really sat down.
Right, I'm going to go for a walk and finish this. Tell you what, life doesn't get better than this. Walking on the beaches of HALKIDIKI at the Aegean Sea here, crystal clear waters, having a refreshing local beer. Sad to be leaving Greece tonight, but we're going back to Greece again in September, so there's plenty more Greek content coming. You know me, whenever I can be, I'm always in Greece. Hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Oh, ça va?
Oui, merci.
Oui. Got some French people on the beach. And look, I was saying earlier, there's a lot of people here from France, Belgium, Germany, Sweden, it seems, Northern Europe. There's an Irish bar, literally, just off the beach called Shenanigans. I'm 100% certain that's going to be full of Brits. If you want to find Brits, you go to an Irish bar. Γεια σου φίλε. Φάει φέλα frappe σκέτο παρακαλώ. Αυτά. Can't come to Greece and not have a frappe. Just enjoying my frappe. Frappe schetto. So if you don't know what that means, that's how I have it. It's coffee on its own. No sugar, no milk. So ohi gala, ohi zakari. No milk, no sugar. On its own. Yamas. I love Greek coffee. Kit has only just got into drinking coffee, but I've always loved coffee, but
I can't drink
it's
it.
so strong in Greece.
I'll stick to my passion fruit lemonade. I can fall asleep.
Yeah, it's really relaxing here, isn't it? On the front.
With a throwback 2016-2017 music in the background. The sea and the sun.
I can't even really hear it. Hear it a little bit.
I don't know this song, but the ones before it's a throwback song.
Right, I'm going to drink this, charge the camera up a bit. Yamas. We're making our way back now to the hotel because we've got a couple hours or so before we need to start thinking about making our way to the airport.
That feels wicked. Feels like clay, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's because it's wet there, isn't it?
Wet down.
Beach is so quiet, isn't it? It's lovely. Look at that. Good boy HALKIDIKI, it's been a blast. And see you in September at G&C. Just chilling around the pool now. Time to get a beer. Γεια σου Maria, γεια σου. Πώς σε λένε?
Katerina.
Katerina, già carica.
Carica και εγώ.
Θα ήθελα ένα νύμφι πειρά παρακαλώ.
Perfect,
Ναι.
Greek. Perfect.
I'm making it. Τι κάνει καλά εσύ? Πολύ καλά. I'm making a video for YouTube.
Oh,
So this is Maria,
Hi guys.
who works on the reception at the hotel in Nefki.
Yeah.
So really good hotel, and Maria actually sorted us out a late check-in, which
Yeah.
we really appreciate. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Παρακαλώ. We
Ευχαριστώ
should
πολύ.
definitely take a shot of that. Yeah.
Nymphy, it's local beer, isn't it?
Yes.
From Thessaloniki.
Thessaloniki. Yes,
Yeah.
that's why you should definitely.
Yeah, it's Macedonian barley.
Exactly.
I looked, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
It's
Tastes
really
good.
nice.
Yeah.
Πολύ ωραία. Yamas.
Yamas.
Yamas. Yamas.
Kiu.
Liquor.
Yeah.
Yes. Like ouzo, or
Sorry.
is it like ouzo? Ouzo? No? What is it?
Oh no, no.
No, it's liqueur. Okay.
Yeah.
Ευχαριστώ.
Masticha.
Mastica.
Mastica liqueur.
Yeah, it's it comes from Chios. It's like chewing gum, but not too chewy.
Εντάξει.
Yeah, it's like that. It's from the island of
Chios,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, it's like that. Skinos, that's the name. It's really nice. It's a spirit, but
Yeah.
yeah, Mastica spirit. These are on the house, the shots.
Ah, ευχαριστώ πολύ. On the house, how lovely. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Try it and let us know.
It's
what
a
you
local, it's not ouzo kit or raki, it's a local liqueur. She said it's like chewing gum.
think. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's very distinctive. It's a very distinctive taste. Not many like it, but
He's selling it to us.
yeah, it's 50-50.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some love it, some hate it. But
Okay.
yeah,
Ευχαριστώ Κατερίνα. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Okay.
Γεια μας.
Yeah.
Not too sure about that.
I'm not too sure what the taste is.
I can't work it out either. It's a bit like chewing gum.
I don't get chewing gum.
It was alright to be fair. Strong, tastes strong.
Better than the shots of them, that's for sure.
Pool area is stunning, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is our last hour or so around the pool. Really chilled out around the pool, isn't it? I'd definitely recommend this hotel if someone's looking for a chilled out holiday. I mean, everyone just sat around the pool. It's a lovely area. Got some music on, some like, lounge music, isn't there?
Yeah,
It's like
everyone's either just chilling, drinking, reading, or sleeping, snacking. Like, it's really nice. I wish we had longer here now.
I know.
We could have a couple more days so we could have just chilled.
A couple more days would have been perfect here, wouldn't it? Just
Had a
chilling
pool
music,
day,
pool
yeah.
day, yeah. Before we go, guys, I really need to show you this chill out area by the pool because it's really nice. So we've got all this nice brown furniture with the green plants and the cactuses. It's very Instagram worthy. You can sit here and have your breakfast as well, I think, and they do meals. Lovely bar area at the PEFKOHORI Hotel. You cannot fault the staff here either. The staff are so nice here. Really friendly people. Soaking up the last rays in the kit.
I don't want to go.
And neither do I. I'll be back in Greece in a few months though, so can't complain. I'm always really sad leaving Greece though. Last nymphy around the pool. It's in a Mythos glass, but I can assure you it's a nymphy. And we're just waiting now. We've got about 15 minutes till the taxi comes. Had a nice time, Kit.
Yeah, I don't want to go.
I don't want to go either. I really wish we booked a week or so. Right guys, so that's Burger King smashed at HALKIDIKI Thessaloniki Airport.
10-10.
It was good.
It's better than all Burger King.
Airport Burger King always is.
Yeah.
So that's the end of this absolutely unreal trip to Thessaloniki and HALKIDIKI, PEFKOHORI. At the best time, I wish we could have spent a bit longer in HALKIDIKI because it's insanely beautiful here. The locals are so kind, the food's great, but we'll always be back. That's the end of this trip then, guys. So we'll see you later. Yes, guys.